So before you uninstall the update, let me inform you, uninstalling Windows update is not recommended. But after installing the update, if you're facing any problem and if you want to uninstall it, then you can open Windows settings and then go to Windows update and then click on update history. Scroll down. Here you can see at the bottom, uninstall update. Click on it. Now over here you will see this update, that is KB5044284 and KB5044030. So whichever update you want to uninstall it, click on uninstall and then click on uninstall and let the uninstall complete. Now once uninstalled, you will see uninstalled, restart required. So you have to restart your computer. Click on restart, and after the system restart, you can again open Windows settings. Now once you open Windows settings, go to Windows update once again, and next time when you click on check on update, it will install the update automatically. So in that case, to avoid the automatic update, once you restart your computer, go to Windows update and then you can pause the update for maybe 1 week, 2 week, 3 week. So you can pause the update, and next time in future whenever you want to update your Windows 11, you can always resume the update. So for example, once you pause the update, you will see the resume update. So in future whenever you want to install the updates, you can always click on resume updates and then you can update your Windows 11. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.